Hello everyone, this is Himanshu, and it's the 20th day of my systems trading challenge. Now, as you can clearly see that today's market was really wild. All right, so there were a few candles which gave me troubles. One was this red candle, another was this up move, then the next was this spike which came. All right, and there was this one spike at 9:35, which went really, which actually tripled the value of puts, many of the puts, and then suddenly there was a reversal. So one of my strategies got hit like two side SL in this candle itself. And in the end, if the market had not gone up and stayed sideways, my PNL would have been very different from what it is today, what it is like how it has ended. So I mean, it's pointless to measure because it's not much, like much move today, but still we are just, taking the open price here, and then it went up for like 0.3%, then came back down to open price, then went back up close to 0.4%, then again came back down, and then finally it ended up closing 0.6% up. And then again closing like 0.4%. So that was the whole thing about today's market. And this is I mean, that was all for Bank Nifty. Nifty was showing a very strong trend. So let's measure from bottom. I mean, there is no point, right? I mean, it's in the bottom, it's only 0.12%. And then it kept on going up in one direction. So 0.6% in Nifty. All right. And Finnifty, again, it acted more like Bank Nifty. Even Finnifty had this candle where there was a sudden down move and then a sudden up move. And today at 10:30 or 11 o'clock, around 10:30 to 11, there was RBI governors meet. So, um, so after just after that happened, right, there was a massive decay in the option premium. So before this time, there was a lot of premium that was remaining in the in the options till this time. But as soon as the speech happened, market started to go up, everything collapsed, and my positions were in good green. Now coming back to Bank Nifty, if market would have come down and either stayed this way or come down and then get up and then stay here. But the problem I face is when the market breaks the range of the day, and that too in the closing candle. So any option trader would be facing problem when the move comes in the second half. That is the flat throughout the day, and then move comes out in the second half. And especially with this red candle, many people got forced out of the market. So yeah, my PNL today I closed at 0.5% by trading all three index, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Finnifty. So yeah, that's all for today. And I think Monday is a holiday. So, and from like Tuesday for the next 10 to 12 days, I'll be on a vacation. So I don't know if I really could update the next 10-15 days PNL here, but I'll try my best. Like even if I try to, do 2 to 3 days at a time, I would be updating all these things. So until that time, take care. Bye bye.